Hello everyone, how are you guys? So before we're going to cook the mushroom goulash, so samahan nyo muna ako maghanap tayo ng mushroom sa forest para meron tayong lulutuin. So ayan, so ang mushroom na lulutuin natin ngayon is chanterelle kasi yan ang lagi kong nakikita pag naghahanap kami ng mushroom sa forest dito sa Austria. So ayan, this is one of my favorite mushrooms here because this is really taste good and really organic, and this is one of my favorite every summer or late summer. I and my family, I and my husband and my son, we're going to the forest to search mushrooms. This is one of my of our bonding time to go to the forest and search mushroom. It was really fun. So ayan. So ayan na pala yung mushrooms na
Mushrooms so fresh from the forest.
nakikita namin sa forest.
So here we go.
So ayan guys, keep on watching.
So look, so fresh and clean. Also here, so many. Look. Here. I found here. Yan. Nakahanap na ako siya. Kailangan natin lang kung sino yun. So, yan sila guys, nagtatago lang sila. Ayan. Yun yung mga mushroom dito sa Austria. Mushroom! Umbrella mushroom. Umbrella mushroom.
So ayan, we already at home. So now I'm going to wash all the mushrooms. So para ready na tayong magluto ng goulash mushrooms. So ayan, ayan na pala yung mga na-harvest namin sa forest. Yung
So now,
2 kilos of chanterelle mushrooms. So now we're going to cook, and these are the ingredients that we need. Fresh. So let's get started. First, we're going to fry the onion with the butter. So we cut into small first and fried it. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. So ngayon ilagay na natin yung mushrooms. So dahil marami ito, dahil ito ay 2 kilos, so punong-puno yung nilutuan natin. So kaya nilipat ko siya sa mas malaki pang bowl or mas malaki pang boiling pan. So ayan, i-press na natin yung lemon. Cover it and add the salt and pepper. For the taste, and mix it well. And then after, let it cover and simmer for 3 minutes until the water of the mushrooms come out. So ayan, lumabas na yung water ng mushrooms. So makikita nyo, may sabaw na siya. This is the soup or the water coming from the mushrooms. So ayan, ihango na natin yung mushrooms. Tapos iiwan natin yung sabaw ng mushrooms. So ngayon, magmi-mix tayo ng 2 tablespoon of cold water or milk. So in this time, I use milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is help to thicker the sauce or yung sauce niya ay magiging thicker para hindi siya malabsaw. Malabnaw o malabnaw, yun. So ayan, ilagay na natin yung cornstarch mix sa ating cooking pot. So ayan, magiging ano na siya, thicker. So and then after, ilagay na natin yung mushrooms na niluto natin kanina, na inihango natin kanina. So ayan, ilagay na natin ulit. And then mix it properly. And then saka na natin i-add yung sane or schlagovers, or in other terms, I think all-purpose cream. They call it all-purpose cream in English. But here in Austria, we call it schlagovers or sane. So ayan. And then hintayin na natin siyang kumulo at takpan. So ayan, kumulo na siya. So tikman na natin kung yung timpla niya ay tama ba sa tamis or sa alat or may kulang pa ba. So ayan, tikman natin kung sakto ba yung timpla. So next, we're going to add a fresh parsley. So ayan, pag tama ang timpla, wag na nating dagdagan ng asin at pepper. So ayan. So ayan, ready to serve na siya, guys. So I hope you try this recipe. It's really good and organic from the forest. And I really love this recipe and I love cooking for my family. And this is my side dish is semmelk noodle. So tinatawag nila dito na semmelk noodle dito sa Europe. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the notification.
Guys.